This is Group 9. The topic that we will report is all about compass error, variation, deviation, magnetic compass error, and gyro compass. Course outcome. Students can have a knowledge about compass errors and its calculation. And what are the learning outcomes of this topic? We can able to learn about the errors on ships and how we can handle it correctly. To learn about the two parts of magnetic compass errors. To learn how to calculate the gyro error and to find the compass error and transit error. The importance of the topic to be able to have a knowledge and understanding on how it works and also the importance on it. References. There are four references of our topic. Firstly, we will deal with the magnetic compass and the errors involved. The difference between direction as measured by the compass and the true direction as measured on the chart is, is termed compass error. Stated differently, it is the angular difference between true north and compass north. It is named east or west to indicate the side of true north on which the compass north lies. The magnetic compass is the most familiar compass type. It, it functions as a pointer to magnetic north. The local magnetic meridian, because the magnetized needle at its heart aligns itself with the horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field. What are the two parts of magnetic compass error? The compass error is a combination of two separate and distinct components, namely variation and deviation. Variation is the difference between the true north and magnetic north. Deviation, ferrous metal, engines, etc., and electrical equipment can deflect the compass from magnetic north. Deviation. Deviation is the failure of the compass to point to magnetic north. Deviation is caused by local magnetic fields on the boat. These fields may be caused by the engine, instruments, or other electronic equipment. Power wiring, tools, or any other magnetic objects. Deviation is specific to an individual boat. Deviation changes with the boat's heading, and deviation is read from the deviation table on the boat. Variation. Variation is the failure of the compass to point to true north. Variation is read from the compass rows on the chart. Variation is the same for all boats in the same area. And what is compass error? The angle by which a compass direction differs from the true geographical direction. Assuming that there is no lever line error, it is the algebraic sum of the declination, variation, and motion errors. It is the difference between compass heading and true heading expressed as the algebraic sum of variation and deviation.
Okay, what is the difference between compass error and deviation? Compass error is the difference between the compass heading and true heading, while the deviation is an angle between magnetic bearing and compass bearing. What is the error of the magnetic needle of a compass not being straight? Instrumental error are those which arise due to the faulty adjustment of the instrument, the needle not being perfectly straight, sluggish needle, and etc. Inaccurate centering, inaccurate leveling of compass box, inaccurate bisection of signal, etc., comes under personal errors. How do you find the compass error? Horizontal sextant angles, when used, the flat shapes position the observed bearing of one of the object used for plotting the position when compare the bearing line drawn on in drawn on the chart from the observed shape position to the same object will give the compass error.
How do you find the transit error of a compass bearing? So on the chart, look for two objects in line. As you already know, transits can be made objects or natural one. So the two objects could be beacons, two boys, a building, or a lighthouse, or other objects. So, with your parallel ruler, determine the true bearing of the transit and make note of it. Next is, in this case, the true bearing is 115 degrees. So now point the bow of your boat towards the object when they come in transit. Make a line of your compass bearing, which in this case is 120 degrees, as you can see in the report. The next, as the compass bearing is more best than the true one, the arrow is west. To memorize that, remember compass best, error west, and compass least, error east. To find the error, subtract 120 degrees compass to 115 degrees through. The error of our compass is 5 degrees west. Next.
Good day everyone, I'm Decadet Regamaras and I'm here to discuss about compass error in navigation. What is compass error in navigation? Compass error in navigation is a combination of variation and deviation which in the horizontal angle between the direction indicated by a magnetic compass and true north. In navigation manuals, magnetic deviation refers specifically to compass error caused by magnetic iron with a ship or aircraft. And also, how is gyro compass error calculated? While your vessel is proceeding down the channel, you notice a range of sights in line with your vessel's mass. If your vessel on course of 1 degrees per gyro compass and the charted value of the range of lights is 359 degrees true, what is the gyro compass error? And here's the example given. The gyro's course is 1 degrees and true course is 359 degrees. To solve gyro error, we have to subtract the gyro and true course. The per gyro compass is 1 degrees and the true course is 359 degrees. The gyro error is named because of PGC is greater than true course. So the true course is 359 and the PGC is 1 degrees. We must add 360 to the PGC so that it must be greater than the true course. So the gyro error is 2 degrees west. How do you correct a compass? A compass needle works by aligning itself with the Earth's natural magnetic field. In almost all compass, the north pointing needle is marked either with the point or the shape of the needle itself. However, a compass needle is a delicate compass is brought delicate magnetic instrument. It is possible for the poles to become reverse of its compass is both into a close contact with another magnet. If this happens, you will need to magnetize the compass using a strong magnet. Place the compass on a flat surface, stable surface facing upward. Place the south pole of the magnet directly on the top of the needle. Drag the magnet slowly along the length of the needle towards the north end. When you reach the edge of the compass, slide the magnet down side of the compass and pull the magnet away from the compass. What is the purpose of correcting a compass? In today's increased use of electronic navigation aids, the ability to correct and incorrect a compass heading or bearing seems to becoming a lost of outside of the classroom. Correcting is converting a magnet M direction to the true T, and correcting is converting from true to a magnetic direction. True direction is relative to the north pole. That's all. Thank you.